Guys, welcome back to day 9 of the 30-day AI Academy Challenge. Today we're going through your first AI workflow and we're finishing week 1 of this free 30-day AI education challenge. Super excited. Quick lesson today, but we're going to capstone all of this off with your first AI workflow. Super excited to hop in. And let's get right into it. So, as always, subscribe and follow. For important new updates regarding the course, youtube.com/@itsfounderdrew or instagram.com/founderdrew. Share the course. Let's start a revolution and change people's lives together. Bonus 40% commission on anything paid. This school community will always be 100% free, but if anyone you invite joins any of our upcharges, you earn 40% commission for life. Monthly giveaways, complete worksheets, stay active and level up. Get a chance to win those monthly prizes. And I always like to show here at the beginning of these lessons, if we go over here, we go into the school, you can go into the accountability section. You can already see people, we're only 9 days in here, filling out their accountability, even close as 51 minutes ago, going through, chatting with others, learning about things for their business, helping others as they work through it, and they're leveling up throughout this so that they can earn those monthly giveaway prizes. So if we go to leaderboards here, we can see who's leveling up. I'm obviously level 6, but then as people slowly level up, they earn more and more entries into those giveaways, guys. So I always say, do your worksheets, post them in the channel, and engage with others. You might meet your new business partner, and you might learn new insights that can help you in your business or your activities that you're going through this course for. So, bonus tip, watch this course in 2x speed. I always suggest this. You can slow down the speed if you really want to digest something, but I always think it's better in 2x speed, and share your results and experience with others. So, agenda for today, we're going to walk through what a workflow is. We're going to build it live for you guys. Again, this course is very flexible in the sense of I don't know what you're building, but I just want to make it accessible for anybody that wants to do this course. So it could be something financially, it could be something to earn your time back. I'm going to walk you through an example of what I'm doing, and it's all based on what we've done in the past days, so it's applicable to everybody. So we'll build it live, we'll make it yours, and then we'll ship our portfolio 1, which is super exciting. So what a workflow is. So these are skills stacked. A workflow is your week's skills run in order. One repeatable flow, the same steps anytime, less thinking each run. You have the parts, we've gone through this the past 8 days, the daily driver, the prompts, the power modes, the research tools. Now we're going to go start to finish. Go from the input to the steps to a finished output that you can actually use. No new tricks today. Today we just connected what we've already learned. So we're going to build it live now. So pick the output, decide the finished thing that you want to build. Build the flow from start to finish. We're going to go through a demo here. So step 1 is research. Gather source facts from the loop. Step 2 would be your draft. Feed facts into the 4-part prompt. Step 3, power up. Thinking mode or files to go deeper from day 7. And step 4, check the facts, refine, and you're done. So I'm going to run through an example here. When you do this, you should be going through what you said on your worksheets from both day 5, day 6, day 7, and day 8. You can literally just copy and paste it here. So what I can do first is we're going to go one by one here. We can go into research. So I want to build an automation that's going to pull news for me around recent AI stuff so I can cover it on my channel. So I'm going to say, hey Claude, based on everything you know about me, I'm Founder Drew, using Whisperflow here. I want to create an automation that can not only pull recent news articles for me, but can also display them for me in my Gmail inbox every day. I think this will be super important into keeping my readers educated on what's going on in the space. Let me know if you have any questions. Again, the output should be something in the Gmail. No real guardrails here. I just want recent AI news with valid links that I can click through, and cite. And that way I can put them on the AI debrief for our newsletter as well. So again, if I was going through this as you guys, we have our research from day 8 that we can paste in. Draft, feed the facts into a 4-part prompt, which I did a little sloppy. It should be a little bit longer and more condensed in that 4-part framework we talked about in day 6, but this is just a demo. You guys already have all this information. Thinking mode, we could do this for some research projects. I'm not going to do it for this one, but then verify. Like especially for this, I'm going to have to verify the facts of what it outputs for me. So as that's running, we're going to go into making it yours. So map it to your goal. Swap my example for your own day 2 goal. Again, you should have written this on day 2. So we can literally swap in whatever I'm using as an example here for whatever you're doing. And that's the whole point of this course. You want to pick the right tool. Use your routing rules for each step from day 4. This is how it will always be on these cornerstones, is we're routing back to the previous days we did and explaining why we did them, so it's helpful when we launch automations like this. Write the steps down, a simple checklist you can run again, and then, as I've been saying for a while, save your prompts. Reuse the prompts that worked in your library, and make sure you time it. Notice how much faster the second run is. So again, with making this your own, I don't know what your goal is when you're going through this course. Maybe it's financial, which is why we have the AI Academy Plus. Maybe it's getting some time back. Maybe it's just making automation to make your life easier. And you should be taking these frameworks that we're going through each day and applying it to your own. Again, I can't run through every single one here because this is a very open, free 30-day AI education course that's just supposed to help you get through your AI bottlenecks. But this is how you can make it yours. So before we go into shipping portfolio, I'm going to exit here. We're going to go back to Claude. And it's still building here. We can click in. It's going through the artificial news. Good. Okay. So shipping portfolio 1. Run it once for real. Produce one finished output for your goal. So in my example here, it would be a daily email brief on the recent AI news that's happening. Again, this can be a lot more complex than I'm making it seem, but I just want to be for my demos, I always want to use a drawn down example for you guys. Save as proof. This is your portfolio piece 1. Keep it safe. Share your win. Post what you made in the wins channel. Say, hey guys, I've been doing this free course for 9 days now. This is what I made. This is what my goal is to be done after the 30 days. Here's my progress so far. And congratulate other people. That's the whole point of the wins channel. Ship it live. Watch the full flow. Produce something real. For example, with this email, I'll have a real email in my inbox every morning once I go through this entire flow process. Fill out your worksheet, founderdrew.com/day9. And as always, post your results and accountability. Lesson 9, check-in, real leverage, not theory. Again, we're posting those accountabilities so you can not only earn our monthly prize giveaways, but when you write down your learning, it retains more, and you're getting even closer to earning that 30-day prize once you finish all 30 days of worksheets in this free course. So if we go back here, it's probably closer. As I'm making this Fable 5, got disabled last night from the U.S. government, but still working through here. Just to run through the summary here quick before we go into the worksheet. Actually, let's go into the worksheet right now. So if you want to go into the worksheet, as always, you can go to the school and it will be attached in the calendar under this day, or you can go to founderdrew.com and just go /day9. And once here, the worksheet will pop up for you, Founder 9 worksheet. And as you guys know already, we go File, and then we go Make a Copy. And your worksheet pops up right here. So it's going to ask you to name the output, the one finished thing. So for us, it would be this email sequence for AI News. Again, this can be anything for you guys. Map your steps, what we would have done for research, the 4-part prompt we put in, how we're using Thinking Mode and powering up, and how we're verifying and polishing it, and then the tool I'll use for each step, your routing rules from day 4. Again, we're pulling back from all these days to help us now that we're actually doing an automation, and we're going to be leveling up to some more advanced stuff here. Run and save. Where I save the finished output for me would be in the Gmail, but then I'd also have the code saved. And was the second run faster, yes or no? And then write your reusable recipe, the simple checklist you can rerun anytime. Make sure you check off that you save your workflow. Post your finished product in the wins category, and your check-in in the accountability. Lesson 9 check-in, and save this as your first portfolio piece. These pieces will only be getting more advanced, and I think it's really beneficial to show people throughout the school as they're going through their progress. So of course we're going to allow our Gmail, and as this continues to run, this is just a prompt example I wanted to give you guys. Obviously a lot more research would go into here for whatever you guys are building. So we're going to close that out for now. This is where day 9 will be, and obviously your guys' worksheets. So again, this is a little tricky for me just because, again, I don't know what you guys are building. I'm just trying to give you guys the tool pieces where you can plug in exactly what you're doing with these frameworks that we've built over the past 9 days. And after this, you should have your first automation because we've already brought all the pieces together. We've got the prompt on what you guys are working at. We have the guardrails. We have every little piece that we need to plug together to slowly build up this automation with Claude. And then we just need to test it. And we're going to be going into some more advanced stuff into week 2, 3, and 4. So, summary for today. A workflow equals skills that are stacked. The research from draft to power and then verifying it. This is your first portfolio piece. Congratulations. And tomorrow, week 2 will begin. If you want to go faster, as always, founderdrew.com/consultant. All money gets reinvested into ads to reach more people through this free course. I'm sorry this lesson was so brief, but again, this is really just plugging in the pieces we've already built for you guys and seeing what comes out the other end. And a lot of my structured courses in the free community, I'm walking you through exactly what to do, steps A, B, and C of exactly how I'm monetizing with AI through a newsletter or UGC, and you guys can just copy my frameworks. But with this free course, there's so many different ways you guys can go through it. I just want to give you the pieces to succeed. If you're ready to build and scale, as I said, school.com/the AI Academy Plus, the best paid community on school. Enjoy the course, post a testimonial in the wins category. It means a lot to me. And let's get to work. I will see you guys tomorrow for day 2. Congratulations again on making it through day 1. And I will see you guys in the day 10 module. Peace.